Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I want to let you in on a little secret. If you tend to have a pear-shaped or hourglass-shaped figure, then one of the best cut skirts for you is A-line. That's why I opted for this vintage pleated A-line skirt by OBBUE with a blue floral vintage pattern that I immediately fell in love with. I bought this skirt in a size large, and I find it very true to size because I do tend to wear a size 12 or 14 depending on the make. Because this skirt is made of 95% cotton, I do find you need to give it a little steam after you wash it, but otherwise it washes and wears very well. And yes, ladies, it does come with pockets. So if you're looking for a skirt that flatters all sorts of shapes and sizes, I definitely recommend this A-line pleated skirt by OBBUE, and that's my point of view.